Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Subaru WRX STI NBR challenge, and this is by Tomica, and this is from their premium series. So this is the 1:62 scale, and so let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here is a closer look at the box once. Okay, let's unbox this. So there is nothing inside the box if you are wondering. Wow, this has some pieces to it. Wow, that looks really nice. I was a bit skeptical before I bought this. So let's take this one. Okay, you can see this, right? This is a spoiler. And here is the hole to fit it in. Let's okay, now it is tight. Okay, honestly I was a bit skeptical to buy this one, but this looks really awesome in person. If you're really planning to buy this one, I suggest you to go ahead and buy it. Put the covers aside. Okay, so my only nitpick here is, they could have just gone with some kind of fiber for the headlights. It is just painted. The wheels looks really nice. I'm pretty sure this is not going to roll smooth, but this looks really awesome. And there are no openable parts in this one. I mean, there are no moving parts in this one. It has some good weight to it. This is really nice, man. This is really nice. So let's see if there is a suspension in this one. It is there. So in general, all Tomica premium editions have a suspension. So let's do a roll test. Nope. Doesn't roll that nice. And it has that sound to it. But it is okay. Anyway, we are not going to play with this one. We are just going to keep it in our showcase. The detailing looks really nice. So I bought this for, I think, 550 rupees or so. There was some discount going on, so I bought this. Okay, it doesn't do anything. I thought it is going to pop up something, but it is nothing. It is just a piece of plastic there. The wheels are unique to this particular car. So that's what I really love about Tomica. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.